How to unarchive post on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we will guide you on how to unarchive post on Instagram. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Tap the three horizontal lines, menu icon, in the top right corner of your profile page. Select Archive from the menu. If you see Stories by default, tap on Archive at the top of the screen and switch to Posts Archive. Find the post you want to unarchive, tap on it, and then tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. Select Show on Profile. You might need to confirm this action by tapping Show on Profile again if a pop-up appears. The post should now be restored to your profile and visible to your followers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. See you in the next one.